Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the Flutter series. In this series, we'll be learning all about Flutter widgets. So with that said, let's jump right into our video. नमस्कार सम्पूर्णलाई, आजको यस भिडियोमा हामीले लिस्ट भ्यू विजिटको बारेमा कुराकानी गर्नेछौँ र लिस्ट भ्यू एउटा विजिट हो। लिस्ट भ्यू भनेको कस्तो विजिट हो, हामीले यो विजिट लिएर के गर्न सक्छौं अहिले एकछिनमा हजुरले थाहा पाउनुहुन्छ। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। मैले बडीमा दिस इज द स्याम्पल एप्लिकेसन I have deleted some boilerplate codes and in the our root widget is my app, and in my app there is material app and its home property is defined by my homepage class. And my homepage class मा चाहिँ scaffold widget छ जसको app bar को टाइटल चाहिँ आजको लिस्ट भ्यू विजिट रहेको छ र बडीमा मैले त्यो विजिट लिन्छु लिस्ट भ्यू विजिट। सो लिस्ट भ्यू भनेको कस्तो विजिट हो भने it can scroll the widget, it can scroll which is aligned vertically or horizontally, एक पछि अर्को यसको चाइल्डहरु अलाइन हुन्छन् के रे यस बेसिकली अलाइन हुन्छन्। So in case we have something like that, then we use list view widget. So list view ले children expect गर्छ। children मा मानौ अहिले मैले कन्टेनर दिए एउटा। Inside container we can take the height and width. Height 100, width height matra lim, width it will take the whole screen width. And let's give color to the container. Colors dot red. If I save this file, we'll see here one widget, it is container widget, and we can अब हामीले कन्टेनर धेरै राख्न सक्छौं। जस्तै यही कन्टेनर मैले कपी पेस्ट गर्छु, कपी and paste again. And if we save this file, then you can see, so this is a list view widget. तो यहाँ पुरै रातो भएको छ किनभने we are not giving here some gap. So this is, so what we can do, यहाँ हामीले children मा यो हटाएर we can take text widget so that it will be more clear to you guys. children मा मैले एउटा लिस्ट लिन्छु, list dot generate, because children is expect list of widgets. Generate text length, let's say 100 index, and we will return text widget, or we can return container too. Let's return text widget. Text, and let's say this is item, and we are going to loop this. For that we will use string interpolation and we'll pass the current index. So this dollar sign basically means we are providing string, we are providing we are converting this integer value to a string. So string भित्र integer value अथवा string पनि use गर्न छ भने then at that time we use this sign, and this phenomenon is known as string interpolation. So when we save this file, you can see here item 1, item 2 up to item 99. From item 0 it will start and it will go to हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ 0 देखि स्टार्ट भएको छ. You can do one thing, you can say that +1 so that it will start from 1. So now let's save this file. Here's something error expected to find. No, there is nothing error. So अब चाहिँ item 1 देखि सुरु भएको छ, and you can see this, we can scroll these things. So yes, list view can be scrolled. List view visit लाई हामीले scroll गर्न सक्छौं. Also not only vertically, we can scroll this widget in any direction, like horizontal, in horizontal position or vertical position. In both the direction we can scroll. It has property called scroll direction. Scroll direction चाहिँ by default horizontal हुन्छ, so vertical हुन्छ. You can see this is scrolling vertically. We can also make this scrolling horizontally. त्यसको लागि मैले axis dot vertical लेख्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. यति गरेर सेभ गर्नुहुन्छ भने it will I think we need to provide some width. Yes, we have to provide some width. So let's say we will wrap this inside container, and container text child, we will close this container, and also we will give some margin so that it will be distinguishable. Margin sign is insets dot all insets dot all. Let's provide margin of 10, and your child is missing. Also we have to provide the width and height. So let's say container has the height of let's say 100 and width of 150. So now if we save this file, sorry, it it is again scrolling in same vertical direction because we have specified here vertical only. Horizontally also we can scroll if we save this file. Then you can see now it is, we can scroll this in horizontal direction too. It will be more clear if we give color to the container, color dot red, and after giving color, let's save the file and we can see that the container, see the container. So container is taking the whole height. For that we have to provide wrap this in a widget which has fixed height. Body has the height of this, body has this much height, so it is taking the whole height and giving the margin. So I hope you have understood this. List view को बारेमा बुझ्नु भएको छ. Not only list view, we also have list view separated and list view builder. Like यहाँ हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, यहाँ हामीले मार्जिन दिन पर्यो. मार्जिन नदिएको भए we cannot मार्जिन हामीले यदि दिएनौं भने सबै रेड नै हुन्छ. Let's comment this, and after commenting, if we save this file, then we cannot distinguish. हामीले यो विजिट को बिचमा कुनै पनि margin अथवा we cannot get anything, so that we can say that this is item 7 or this is item 6 until and unless we have something in that visit. So for that we have list view dot separated property. So let's remove all this thing. List view dot separated. And let's remove all this. List view dot separated takes two properties. One is items builder, 3 properties is required. Item count, let's say we will give 8, and item builder and separator builder we have. So first let's give separator builder. So this is separator builder, and this gives the margin or some sized box, some height, or some, if we are scrolling vertically, this gives some height. We can you will see here we need to pass the current context and index. Takes two properties, context and index, and it returns a widget. You can return any widget. I will return sized box, and I will give the height of 10, so that we don't have to give the margin. And in item builder also takes two property, context and index. Current context and index, and it returns a widget. So we can return any widget. Let's take container, and inside container let's give color to the container. So I will give something like call.till, and I'll give the child. Inside child I will provide text widget, and text widget is basically I'll provide item, and I will pass the current index, each index. So for that we need to write the dollar sign, because we are going to do string interpolation, index. Why we are doing string interpolation? Because index is a integer value and text only takes string value. So let's give some height. Height will be, let's say, 100. If we save this, you can see it will each item will align one after one. You can see this, and this white space is not margin, not padding at all. This is the separator builder. This is the sized box of height 10. This is done by the separator builder, and at last it does not have any white spaces, because at last it don't gives any space. It does not build this separator builder. सेकेन्ड लास्टसम्म मात्र गर्छ, लास्ट डिजिटलाई चाहिँ यसले गर्दैन. So also you can scroll it horizontally. यसलाई पनि हजुरले horizontally scroll गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. र now we have scroll property also. We can also provide a scroll property, like you can see when I scroll from top, the blue color is coming, and that is because by default is scroll physics is camping is scroll physics. You can change to bouncing scroll physics, BOUNCING, bouncing scroll physics. Bouncing scroll physics चाहिँ iOS हरूमा चाहिँ हुन्छ, अहिले हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. So this type of physics यदि चाहियो भने, scrolling effect चाहियो भने, you can use bouncing scroll physics. अरु पनि यस्तो छन्, हजुरले सर्च गरेर हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. So this is all about list view dot separated. Also we have list view dot builder. हजुरले यहाँ चाहिँ लिस्ट भ्यू डट सेपरेटमा याद गर्नुपर्ने कुरा के हो भने, आइटम काउन्ट चाहिँ हजुरले दिनुपर्छ, सेपरेटर बिल्डर चाहिँ दिनुपर्छ, अनि आइटम बिल्डर चाहिँ दिनुपर्छ. दिस फिजिक्स इज नट रिक्वायर्ड. यदि यु हेभ टु scroll it in horizontally, horizontal positionमा horizontally यसले स्क्रोल गर्न छ भने, you can at that time you can also use scroll physics. अर्को हामीसँग के छ भने list view dot builder पनि हामीसँग छ. So list view dot builder ले पनि item builder र item count लिन्छ, but item separator चाहिँ लिँदैन. So we can remove that. And if we save this, you'll see same thing without that white lines. Again, without that white lines, and here we have to provide margin. Because why we are providing? Because it is looking ugly. Insets dot all. Let's say 8. Let's save the file, and you can see changes so that you can see the changes. List view dot builder लाई पनि you can scroll horizontally. You can wrap this inside center so that it will show in the middle of the container. So this is all about list view. List view मा चाहिँ यति नै छ. अरु पनि list view dot custom पनि हुन्छ. So that is basically list view dot builder नै builder जस्तै हुन्छ त्यो. You can go to the API documentation and of Flutter and you can list view dot custom को बारेमा नि जान्न छ भने you can learn from there. हामीले धेरै जसो युज गर्ने भनेको list view dot builder नै हो. List view र list view dot separated नै हो. So this is all about list view. Hope you all enjoyed the video.